Hey everyone, welcome back to Pouring My Art Out. We're going to do a fun little Memorial Day bowl. Now I know this is probably not going to post today, but we're going to try our best because it is going to be a bowl. So anyway, you can see my resin has come to 35.5. The reason I do that is because it cools down so quickly. So let me get this thermometer out of here. And we are going to pour. We in the center? This is a pretty good size mold, but it will just make a small bowl. Make sure I save enough for my white. I'm gonna pop a few bubbles. There's not many. 2. There we go. And pour some in here for the white. I'm not gonna need a whole lot. So I'm gonna pour the rest in here. Okay, there's one more bubble there. Get another baby wipe. Excuse me. I think I choked on a grape. Having a little snack while I'm doing this. Goodness. Okay, this is going to be fireworks, but I'm going to try being the key word, to do it a little differently. I'm going to try to make them look like they are cascading. I'm using Let's Resin alcohol inks. Red on the top, blue on the bottom, because we really don't want them to mix too much. Okay, now I'm going to mix up my white. Oh no, look at that. Of course. That's unfortunate. You mix a little bit. Take what's on it. Somehow I've got to clean that up. I don't know how. Ugh, that is so sticky. Resin is still very warm. All right. Go ahead and pour this in there. Into my bag. Okay, right now I don't want to look at that, so we're getting it out of the way. Let that move for just a minute. Oh, I'll be right back. Okay. That's about the right temperature. So we're going to go ahead and clip the tip off. Just what you see here is what I'm going to clip. We're going to start right here in the middle. Whoa. I didn't think I clipped it that big, but apparently I did. Maybe it's just still really warm. There's going to be some big dots. Can y'all see the vision? We're trying to make them look like they're cascading. Whether it works or not, I don't know, but hey, we tried, right? That's all we can do. So give it a try. I'm not squeezing this. I don't know why it's coming out so fast, y'all. Alright, let's get up here. Get some movement out of these guys. You try not to leave a tail. Now, the first few I did because I was surprised how fast this was coming out. And how big. Because I just cut a small area. So I'm not sure why it's doing this. I think it's just really warm. So hopefully it blooms instead of dropping right to the bottom. I'm afraid of that. I see some of them are blooming. So let's hope the rest do. And if I didn't mention it, I am using Bond Crafter. I think it's the best one I have found for blooms. And I'm an affiliate, so I will link which Bond Crafter resin I'm using. And I'll also put in the affiliate link for reference. So if there's anything else on there you want to take a look at, you most certainly can, and there's a 12% discount. That one was ugly. I see one that has sunk right there. The others seem to be doing okay. I don't know if this is going to be a success or not, but it might make a pretty bowl. Let's give it a little turn. Okay, guys, I guess we will see, because that is all I'm doing. Like I said, I had a vision. We'll see if that vision works. I got a mess to clean up. Oh my. Might be time to retire that white. All right. Fingers crossed. It's doing beautifully here. I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. See you in a few. Hey everybody. This is cured enough to get out. And I already know what the back looks like because I can see through it, and it's a blob city. So I'm going to put it on the back of this bowl to make a bowl. And it is still going to be pretty soft, which is why I'm using the back. Because it is still going to move some. See the back? Not pretty. So this is the side I'm going to use, and it's actually pretty. So, there we go. Let's go ahead and drape this. This will make a fabulous chip bowl or fruit bowl. Stretch it a little bit. Just to make it a little more even. There we go. Yeah, see the back didn't do much, but once you put it over something and it keeps moving, it looks better. But anyhow, the front of it was pretty much what I wanted it to do. But let's wait for this to cure. So I want to make sure this is flat. And it will be. There you have it. Let's wait for it to cure. And then I will see you all tomorrow. It is going to be a little bit late for Memorial Day. But, oh well. We will see you later. Have a great night. Hey guys, welcome back. We are completely cured. Like I said, the back of it's blob city, but the way to fix that is to make a bowl. And that's what I did. I'd planned on a bowl anyway. All right, let's see if we, oh, well, that was easy. Okay. I think it turned out cool. I'm sorry it didn't make it for Memorial Day. I got started too late. But that's a perfect snack or chip bowl. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. All right, I'll get you some after pictures and post it. Yeah, I like it. I like it. All right. We'll see y'all soon.